KHTS.
I don't know if you've noticed, not only with all the decorations around, and maybe you've gone to the store, it's a little bit more crowded. Maybe you've listened to KHTS and noticed we're playing nothing but Christmas and holiday music, but it's that time of year. And with that time of year, with all kinds of decorations, comes some of us who may not quite understand holiday safety, especially when it comes to things like electrical overload and things like that can cause some serious damage to your home. Here with me from Paul Davis Emergency Services is Joel. Good morning, Joel.
Good morning, George. How are you today?
I am really good. Now, let's talk about this because we were talking off the air about overloading your electrical. That seems to be probably one of the biggest things that we do during the holidays because most of us we're not electrical contractors. We only know from an electricity standpoint that we plug it in and it works. So if one plugs in, then we could plug them all into the same outlet and it'll be just fine. So why is that dangerous?
Well, you don't want to put in a lot of low gauge wire and overload a circuit because you don't realize it, but there's heat generated by that electricity running through the wire. And if it's not heavy enough or there's a lot of draw in that circuit, you're going to heat up that wire and then cause a potential fire hazard. So with all the decorations, I know Christmas is thrown up at my house, and it's absolutely beautiful, but we really have to be careful with the way that we illuminate our decorations and how we decorate our homes.
I know some of the newer developments take decorations in mind when they're building homes. They have a lot more outside outlets. But in my case, my home was built in 1968. And I have one that was kind of funkily wired by the previous owner that's outside of the backyard. I think he pulled it off of one of the inside outlets. And then I've got a couple in the garage, and that's it. So it's really kind of funky. Is there a way to get around so that I cocould still...
Well, if you're doing outside lighting, you really would want to plug into a GFI circuit so that if you've got a connection in your wiring and water gets in there, it will cut that power to that circuit before it goes to the breaker. The breakers are designed to interrupt that circuit if there's some kind of a surge like water that causes a short. But why take that risk?
That's true.
Plug in those outside receptacles and to a GFI circuit, and be smart about it. Fire is one of the biggest causes of insurance claims. I believe it takes up about 40% of all claims, and it's a big concern during this time of year because we're doing a lot of extra cooking. We're using the extra oven at our house. We've got the electrical lighting. We've got the natural Christmas trees because they smell so good. We want to make sure we keep extra water on those. And, being cautious with flammable situations are really important things.
Now, let's say I'm late to the game or I'm planning for next year. Is it a good idea to call Paul Davis to be able to maybe get an idea of what I can do to better facilitate that electricity in a way that's not going to cause any safety concerns? Do you guys handle that sort of contracting, or is it something you could at least advise on?
Absolutely. We're full-service general contractors, so we do everything from the restoration business up to kitchen and bath remodels, as well as wiring upgrades and things of that nature. We utilize a lot of the local subcontractors for areas that we're not super experienced in. So.
And of course, also, if by chance that tree did get fire or the grease fire happened while you were cooking or whatever during Christmas, call Paul Davis Emergency Services to get the restoration process going, correct?
Absolutely. You can reach Paul Davis Restoration at our website, santaclarita.pauldavis.com. You can also reach us directly at our offices, 661-310-0884.
Outstanding. Joel, thanks so much for stopping by. Always informative. And I'm sure that you have everything safe, but everybody else have a safe Merry Christmas. And again, Paul Davis Restoration Services, just in case. So thanks for stopping by, Joel. Take care. Time is 7:37. We'll be back with more after this.